In what ways might we help her clean her room so she can go to the beach? What action will be taken? Put her toys away. Who will take that action? Ryan and Ben. How and to whom will you present your plan? Put her clothes away. The mom and the dad and the girl. Why is the action important? To clean her room. The girl wants to go to the beach. When? You better give cleaning your room right now.
What do you want?
Help me clean my room.
I want to help her. No, I am. No, I am.
Clean out!
Be back
You
in
can
class.
go help me clean my room. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you did it. Safe. Bye. You gave me a bloody nose.
Now can I go to the beach? First you gotta get them out of the house. Get out!
Crazy.
And wipe your bloody nose! And now you just have to watch TV for a little bit, and then you can go to the beach.
Me too? Dude, they were supposed to get off.
It's the weather channel. Who cares? Who wants to watch the weather? Me. Well, don't wipe your bloody nose! Fine, you can go to the beach. Take your friends too. What? Bloody nose light? Going to the beach. Yay!